The story continues. Welcome to part 6, brought to you by Robotic Machinery, where the stakes are higher, the challenge is tougher, and the surprises more thrilling than ever. Prepare for another chapter of relentless action, daring feats, and incredible moments. This is just the beginning. Let's dive in. A heavy timber truck takes a sharp turn on a bustling street. The load shifts, balance is lost, and in an instant, the massive vehicle tips over. A bulldozer tumbles off the truck, its blade tearing through a nearby car. Two excavators are trapped in the raging floodwaters, helpless against the current. Amidst the chaos, rescuers race against time, desperately trying to free the operator stuck inside. Will they save them before it's too late? On the towering peaks, an excavator carves through the thick snow, defying the harshest conditions. A powerful display of strength and the unwavering courage of those who command it. With every push, the struggle intensifies. Can this powerful machine help the truck conquer the steep climb? With precision and power, the specialized crane grabs, crushes, and demolishes the car, turning it into a pile of twisted metal in the relentless process of scrap metal dismantling. A supercar squeezes into a tight alley, wedged between two brick walls. Stuck, unable to move forward or back. How will this high-speed machine escape? A truck pulls out of the warehouse but gets stuck on a Tesla Cybertruck. The driver doesn't stop. Things are about to get much worse. A giant dump truck is hard at work at the mine, but something is wrong. Fire starts to rise from below. Suddenly, flames erupt, engulfing the truck. Panic spreads as rescue teams rush in, fighting desperately to contain the fire before it spirals out of control. At the quarry, a massive excavator lifts a giant rock onto a specialized dump truck, but the weight is too much. The truck's bed tips over, helpless against the sheer force. Disaster strikes as a container ship tilts, sending cargo crashing into the sea. The sound of containers falling is deafening. How will the crew handle this catastrophe? Against all rules, a colossal ship pushes through a narrow river, its sheer size causing devastation. Small boats are destroyed, and the riverbank near people's homes is left in ruins. The damage, who will take responsibility? Beneath the frozen surface of a lake, a car lies trapped in the ice, its fate sealed in the chilling depths. How did it end up here? A bulldozer works tirelessly, leveling the ground while simultaneously rescuing a massive truck stuck in the mud. its mission to clear and fill the site becoming a race against time. As the train carrying earth and stone halts on the tracks, one of the wagons suddenly tips and rolls, flipping uncontrollably. No collision, just a shocking twist of fate. Trapped in the ice and snow, the excavator struggles desperately, its heavy machinery sinking deeper with every attempt. The cold grip of the winter proves stronger than it can fight. Working on a steep, rocky hillside, the bulldozer loses control and begins to slide. It crashes into a boulder, halting its descent. But the operator is thrown out, tumbling down the slope. Miraculously, no injuries. A close call. A rock tumbles down, crushing the excavator beneath its weight. The result is catastrophic, the machine reduced to a crumpled wreck. With daring boldness, the excavator plunges into the flooded stream. Every move is a calculated risk as it pushes forward through the dangerous waters. As the excavator moves forward, the operator fails to notice the swinging arm. With a sudden swing, it crashes through the neighbor's window. Unexpected damage in the blink of an eye. At the scene of the collapse, a truck The bulldozer struggles through the flooded stream, its heavy machinery fighting against the current. Every inch forward is a battle in this relentless fight with nature. The bulldozer pushes a massive boulder down the mountain, its sheer force sending the rock tumbling with unstoppable power. A display of raw strength and precision. The excavator works with precision, defying gravity and the steep drop below. Every move is a calculated risk in this dangerous terrain. Chaos strikes as the excavator catches fire. In a quick response, sand is poured onto the flames. Can this desperate measure stop the blaze before it spreads? In a powerful display of teamwork, the loader, excavator, and bulldozer join forces to rescue the truck stuck in sand and earth. Will their combined strength be enough to free it? Watch as the excavator showcases its skill, gracefully descending from the truck without any external support. Precision and power in perfect harmony. The ultimate tug-of-war begins. Kirovitz K701 with 300 horsepower squares off against the Tatra T813, packing 260 horsepower. Who will emerge victorious in this battle of raw power? Get ready for an exhilarating showcase of precision and mastery. Watch as the excavator performs 5 jaw-dropping feats, each one a testament to its unmatched skill and finesse. What an incredible journey we've witnessed in part number 6. From thrilling challenges to awe-inspiring feats of power and precision, each moment has kept us on the edge of our seats. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for what's next. Until then, keep watching for more heart-pounding action from Robotic Machinery.